you have to find the spot size of your laser. In the second part, you have to check the polarization of your laser. Okay. So initially when you start, make sure your angle is in the 0 in the polarizer. Okay. So once it is in the 0 position, then what you will do, you have to bring your laser spot to the center of your detector. Okay. So how you know it is in the center of the detector? So first part is see, you have a cross. Your light should be in the center of this cross. Then what you do, you check here on the on your luminescence meter that you get the maximum intensity. So by just turning this, so once I turn this, it is increasing right now, right? So it is increasing. You keep going, turning this till you get the maximum value. So now it has already started decreasing. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go back. Go back means I will go reverse order, and then I will get the maximum value on the relative intensity. So 2.34 is the maximum value in this setup. In the other setup, it may be 2.75. In some other setup, it may be 2.95. Okay. So now what you will do is, you have to reset this as the origin. What you will do, you hold this press button for 1-2 seconds. Then your scale will become 0. That means you are in the origin. So from now, what you will do is, you have to change the scale to 0.1. So first you go 0.1. So here, set it to 0.1. Take the value for your intensity. Okay. Then set it to 0.2. So then again take the value. So up to 0.7 you do it in 0.1. Okay. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. After 0.7 you go to 1 and then 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, then 3.5. That is sufficient. Okay. So by the time you reach your 3 or 3.5, your relative intensity will become close to 0. Okay. So this is for the positive cycle, positive x-axis. Again you come back to 0 position. 0 position means till you get 0 you turn this. So once you come back to 0, you should get the same highest value. So I got 2.34 in this. I should get the 2.34 intensity on the same. Okay. So then what you do, you do the anti-clockwise rotations. When I do anti-clockwise rotation, then you will get minus 0.1, minus 0.2. Okay. So you set the same values, minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3, minus 0.4, minus 0.5, minus 0.6, minus 0.7. Then you set minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5, minus 3. Okay. So this you have to do it in the reverse order. Okay. So once you get all those values, then you are done with the first part, which is your spot size. Okay. Then again come back to the 0 position. 0 position means you are getting the maximum value on your intensity. So after that you have to change the angle on your polarizer. So right now this is in the 0 position. You change it to 20, take the relative intensity and again change it to 40, change it to 60. Every 20 degree you change your angle and then take the reading for your relative intensity. Okay. So when you are doing this, your spot has to be always in the center of your detector. Okay. So this is the second part. So in this case what happens, you are going to get the intensity is going to decrease, again it is increasing, again it is decreasing. So you should get a waveform in the polarizer. Okay. So that will be your second part. So you have 2 parts. Okay. Fine.